won't be a moment. I won't be a moment.
Call out the hawks, call up Terry, both defend every inch of England's hawk. We know the glorious parades, the soldiers on suspense. Soldiers of God.
Carry on, sauce.
Good morning, gentlemen. I received your message, Mrs. Hop. My pass has arrived.
Allah! Who you? Mrs. Phoebe Ridge.
What's you burning this thing? It smells a bit like sauce.
One can't make murder fuel out of sauce.
Here we are. Another object. Thank you. Professor Brown sent you a cat last time, did he not? Yes. Are we to have the pleasure of meeting him? I happen to think this guy.
Here.
Come this way. Children, this is Price. Carry, charge, Paul. How do you do? The government are trying to evacuate. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't get it on. Be quiet. I see. Very well, if that is the case, I shall find a more suitable home. I might just do.
Cavolo, nem alteia.
Very well, Charles. Excuse me, Charles. Sheesh.
Top of the top morning, top gentlemen.
Aye, that's a lot of us.
For you, sir. If ship like that, I learned while sailing under the Ark.
You too?
What now? It wouldn't surprise me none to hear you say.
Can't all the hemming and hawing that goes on, you'd think there wasn't seamen to be had in Bristol.
I begs to differ, sir. If I have it, why, there's a funcock right here.
Appearances be hanged. Get seamen.
Stop.
Glass and come.
Shush! They'll give my Woody a bad name. What would the Lord say? I don't fucking... I never thought the day had come I'd need this Woody against them throats. Heavy balls works best. Do we think you could shoot?
Oh, you.
Don't go waving your cock in the face of every man.
No, Mr. Silver, it was.
Repel borders.
I know, sir.
And I knows a lad I can trust while I'm out doing squire. And when I come back, I'll have come and you piss.
You mean he...
You've got the word of Lord Silver of this ship.
Ship.